Hi, my name is Richard Millwood, and we're going to create the code for the pet project. Now we begin by doing something that may be new to you, which is to create a function. This is like a piece of program that you can use in different places and allows us to separate out our ideas clearly. You go to Advanced and then choose Functions, Make a Function, and here we have a chance to change the name do something into, in this case, the first one at the top left, which is pet becomes calm. And that creates a new blue, dark blue bracket for us to put new statements into. And the next one is we want to make a variable called mouth, because the next instruction inside the function is called set mouth to create image of a smile. So I go to variables, because that's what mouth is, make a variable and type in mouth, and then take the set mouth piece and pop it into the function. Now the 0 is just what they put there because they don't know what you want to set mouth to. I want to put in a block called create image, which again is maybe new to you. It's in the advanced images section. And here we have create image. Drag that out and drag it so that the two red dots light up over where that 0 was that I now want to replace. And pop, in goes the create image. And of course I can paint in here what I want that image to look like. I'm going to make the smile that you see on the sheet. The next statement is to set the heartbeat, which is something that the pet will be able to show how calm or scared it is by having a lower or higher heartbeat. So again, it's a variable, so I go to the variable section, make a variable, call it heartbeat, click OK, and now I've got set heartbeat, which is a new piece I can use, and pop it in underneath the set mouth. And here the number I want to start with is 60, which happens to be the kind of heartbeats per second that we humans have, and suits this program very well. So sorry, I said seconds. It's 60 beats per minute. That's 60. It represents beats per minute. The next statement we have to add in it is play hello until done. This is a feature of Microbit version 2, and it's just going to play a little sound to indicate that the pet has become calm. I go to the music section, and it's quite far down in the advanced Microbit v2 section where you can see play giggle until done, and I can drag that out and pop it into the right place, but change the giggle to hello. I'm going to leave you to complete the pet becomes anxious. So I'm going to functions, make a function, type in here show vital signs, done, and then that pops up here, ready for me to complete with, first of all, a show image at offset. So show image, I believe, is going to be in our images section. Here it is there. It's the advanced images section. And I can pop that in there. And I want to change not my image. We want actually the mouth to be shown at offset 0. I'm not sure what that means, but it works. And then I thought it useful to when we show the vital signs to play a tone which is meant to be the heartbeat. So back to music again, this time choose play tone, and I'm going to choose high C. Now you get a little piano keyboard. If you know your keyboard, you know what they all are, but if you don't, you can just drag the mouse across until you find the one that you want. That's the high C there. And why it doesn't actually say high C, oh, it does now. Here we are. And then for a quarter beat. That's so it isn't too long until done. The until done means until the music is finished playing. And then finally, we're going to go back to basics at the top and find the pause. Here it is. And pop that in. And we say pause for some kind of complicated calculation here, which is, let me go back to find the divide piece, which is in the mathematics section, the math section. I just want divide, here it is. Pop that in first. Remember to get your red dots to line up. And then I type in the number 60,000. So that's 6 followed by 4 zeros. Why 60,000? Because the pause is in milliseconds. That's 1,000th of a second. And I want to pause for an amount which is going to be reasonable for this heartbeat. And I calculate it by dividing 60,000 by the heartbeat amount. That's a variable, so I go to variables and pick out heartbeat and pop it in there. So that's me finished constructing the function show vital signs. It's not important that you fully understand the mathematics, the computing, or anything else in this project, although obviously you're going to be interested. So I've done my best to give you some clues, but you may find that some things will be left until you've got more sophisticated, learnt more computing, and then you'll understand them better. Now those were the difficult parts of the programming done. I think the rest is easy. I'm going to leave it to you to complete.